Hello everyone! How would you like to sell with soul? Well, today it's all about building genuine client connections. We can do that using the core principle. First, letter C, connect compassionately. Begin by truly understanding our clients' needs as well as their pain points. We can listen attentively and also demonstrate empathy. Show that we really care about their success and not just in making them another number by making the sale. Number 2, O, offer openly. You and I can be transparent and honest in our communication. Share relevant information. Imagine if you're selling properties, the figures are in the millions and so much more. And likewise, if you're in the service or have specific products, we need to be upfront, especially when we are stating facts. Third, letter R, relate realistically. How do we do this? Share relatable stories, either from our own personal experiences or those of our other clients. Be authentic and real when it comes to our interactions. We can avoid overly crafted and polished pitches and instead focusing on building real human connection. And finally, the fourth one, letter E, engage ethically. What does this mean? Well, in today's day and age, we still are being reminded to maintain the highest ethical standards in all our dealings, regardless of our line of work or profession. Prioritize long-term relationships over short-term gains because we can ensure that our client is making an informed decision that will benefit them. Because for all you know, the one-kind act that we're doing today will reap ripples of positive rewards up ahead. So anything worth doing is worth doing in a God-honoring fashion. So remember, you and I, as always, can stand out and shine.